Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Solana price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. And starting on the daily chart here, we are gonna run very fast with our overview, of course, for the bullish and bearish scenarios and get, of course, an idea what is the highest possibility for Solana. Starting on the daily, we have an impulse toward the upside, finishing wave A or wave 1, opening two scenarios for an A, B, and a C. Probably finish, of course, after this impulse toward the upside. And looking, of course, for any corrective waves, 3 waves toward the downside. And it can be bigger 3 waves toward the downside as well, meaning 3 waves down, 3 waves up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as well. Or it can be an impulse, 3 waves up, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Opening a scenario, of course, for a bigger A, B, and a C, which is a magenta scenario. And of course, another scenario, which is the most possible, is a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 leading diagonal toward the upside. And that because your wave 1 is bigger than your wave 3. Very nice leading diagonal, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Which open, of course, as well another scenario for double 1, 2s, meaning a 1, 2, and 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5 towards the upside. Because both signals here, or both waves, are just simply impulses. Now, the highest possibility, if you have realized, of course, that most of the scenarios will end up in a confluence point or area, which is perfect area, I would call it, for a very bullish scenario, which is between the 0.5 and 0.38 fib level. Because if you are in ABC, let's say this is like mid bullish and bearish scenario, because you can have like 3 waves down and then continue impulsively toward the upside, is likely to finish, of course, between this area. If you are bullish, if you are bearish on this one as well, ABC, and you're looking for lower prices, then you're still looking for a little bit higher before you move toward the downside. Meaning still you're looking for high prices from that point. Now, if you are a very bullish, if you are in 1, 2, 1, 2, and then you're looking for wave 3, this is the perfect fib levels for a wave 2 as well in this area for 1, 2, again 3, 4, 5 towards the upside. Final scenario where you are in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in a leading diagonal, your wave 4 is the perfect fib level 0.38, 0.5. Therefore, this area is a very critical to be watched on the daily for the next, of course, a target for FET in case we dive into this price action. And then, of course, we have to start to move to the upside. I mean Solana, sorry, not FET here. So if we are looking now on the 4-hour chart, on the 4-hour chart, of course, we have a problematic with this wave toward the upside where it has to be considered finished wave 5 in an expanding diagonal. And that because we cannot find any kind of another impulsive solution, because it is impulsive, it took the all-time high, and also it has finished a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 towards the upside, very nice impulse. However, our problem with it is not an impulse towards the upside. Also, it's not a contracting ending diagonal, which is the most common normally. It is an expanding ending diagonal, which is the most rare. However, it's not impossible, and it looks Solana is gonna take this option. Yeah, and as you can see, we see a formation of double 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, as expected 2 weeks ago, guys. If you go back with the videos, you remember at this area, I said, be careful, guys, we have topped for Solana. I was very clear with it, and that because, of course, of the shape here, and yeah, I mean the impulse was already finished, and we reached the 1-to-1 fib level already taken from the bottom here of your wave A, in case we are in the yellow scenario, A, B, and a C. Yeah, so we have topped. So basically, we still have probably here higher possibility only for double 1, 2. And also higher possibility for A, B, and a C finished, and then A, B, C toward the downside and moving towards the upside. Of course, the diagonals still have a possibility, but reaching the 1-to-1 fib level is not nice. However, it's still looking lower. You know, like the wave still looking less than this one on the logarithmic chart. But yeah, basically it has reached the 1-to-1 fib level. but still have higher possibility. So basically, this is to be watched. Okay, higher possibility, I would say 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 4 5, guys. So this is gonna be massive after, of course, this this target here. Of course, every market has a downtrend. We cannot move up without a downtrend. We need to charge up and move for higher. So let's take a look as well at KGT. So looking at KGT on the 15-minute chart, 500 strengths, we can see a very strong sell signal coming from the top as well. Thank you, KGT. And then, of course, we have conversions coming from the tops here. Convergent, of course, with the price action, meaning, of course, we're still looking for lower prices. No bullish signal yet given as a divergence, knowing that, yeah, we might get it, but it might, of course, take the low already before getting this signal. That was it for Solana. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.